Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain learning about the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. 1927. Werner Heisenberg, a German physicist, stated uncertainty principle, which is the consequence of dual behavior of matter and radiation. It states that it is impossible to determine simultaneously the exact position and exact momentum, or velocity, of an electron. Mathematical representation. Mathematically, it can be given as an equation. Increment x into increment momentum of x is equal or greater than h divided 4 into pi. Which can also be written as increment x into increment mass into velocity of x is equal or greater than h divided 4 into pi. And from this, increment x into increment velocity of x is equal or greater than h divided 4 into pi into mass, where increment x is the uncertainty in position and increment px, or increment vx, is the uncertainty in momentum, or velocity, of the particle. If the position of the electron is known with high degree of accuracy, then the velocity of the electron will be uncertain. On the other hand, if the velocity of the electron is known precisely, then the position of the electron will be uncertain. Thus, if we carry out some physical measurements on the electron's position or velocity, the outcome will always depict a fuzzy or blur picture. Significance of uncertainty principle. One of the important implications of the Heisenberg uncertainty principle is that it rules out existence of definite paths or trajectories of electrons and other similar particles. The position of an object and its velocity fix its trajectory. Since for a subatomic object such as an electron, it is not possible simultaneously to determine the position and velocity at any given instant to an arbitrary degree of precision, it is not possible to talk of the trajectory of an electron. The effect of Heisenberg uncertainty principle is significant only for motion of microscopic objects and is negligible for that of macroscopic objects. This was Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.